Hello and welcome to WordPress tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the sticky menu. For example, if you open a new website like this and you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you are seeing this menu while scrolling the website and it's not disappearing. While on our new page like this one, if we scroll down, the menu will disappear and will left behind. So to make this menu sticky just like this, I will show you how to do it using a plugin called My Sticky Menu. Okay, before starting the video, if you want to buy a web hosting, or if you already planning making a website and you don't have any web hosting, then please follow the link below this video for purchasing the web hosting. It is the best web hosting, cheap and reliable, and it is also the best way to support our channel. Okay, moving forward to our sticky menu plugin. So this is our new page for which I'm going to show you how to make this menu sticky. For this purpose, we will need a plugin called My Sticky Menu. Log into your WP admin. I'm already logged in and this is the page. Come to the plugin and add new. On this page, in the search keyword, type My Sticky Menu. There is no space between, and probably you will see the plugin on the first position, which is created by Premium, and there are 70,000 plus active installations for this plugin. Click on install now. It will take a couple of seconds because it's loading from the wordpress.org repository. Okay, now we have installed the plugin. Click activate to activate this plugin. It will directly open the settings page for this plugin, so you can use your menu's ID or class on that page and it will work. I'll also show you some more settings for transparency and appearance after a couple of seconds when you scroll, so please watch this video till end. Okay, now we are on the settings page. Here it will ask the class or ID of the menu, so please come to the home page or the front end of your website. Right click on the menu, click on inspect element. It will probably open on the right side like this. Let me show you both options so you can adjust it later. Maybe it will open like this, so you will have to click on these three dots and click on dock to bottom, and after setting it on the right place like this, you will now have to again right click on this section, the menu which you want to make sticky. Right click and inspect. Okay, here you can see the header and then all these children. We will need this header master because you can see all these selected areas are within this header tag. So look for the ID. It is masthead. Double click here, right click this ID, copy, come to the admin section, paste the ID here, but as it is an ID, so you will have to type a hash before this. Let me zoom it so you can see it clearly. You will use this hash, or if it's a class, then you will have to use the dot here, but as it is the ID now, you will use hash. Okay, now come to the bottom of the page and save it. come to the front end, close the inspect element and refresh the page. Now let's scroll the page and see what happens. Okay, this is a beautiful effect, but when you install this plugin and set up, it will not as beautiful like this. So let me reverse the settings first to the normal. This will be 0. When you install this plugin, this will also be 0, and this will be fade, and this will be 90. Let me reshuffle the page. Okay, now you will understand what I meant for the setting reverse. Now when you scroll down, it will just fade in a little bit and will be transparent and no effect. Now click to the settings page, and first of all we will make the menu disappear until it reaches the end of this menu here. So maybe the size of this menu or the height of this menu will be 70 to 100. So first of all let's try 100 here. Make visible on scroll at home page on 100, and make visible on scroll at 100 here also. Save it, and you will see the effect of appearance when we scroll the page up to 100 pixels from the top of the menu. The page is refreshing, and let's scroll the page. You can see when it reaches the 100 px, then the menu appears suddenly. Let's make some beautiful effect, turning from fade to slide, and a little bit transparency, maybe up to 70. And if you want to change the sticky background color, then click here and change the color. The transition time will be 1, and we change the fade to slide, and now save the changes. Come to the front end, refresh the page, and we are done. Now scroll the page and see the beautiful effect for the transparent menu, and it's also sticky. Even if you reach to the bottom of the page, you can see the menu easily. So that was all for today's video. Please like this video and share it with your friends if you know anyone need this, and please subscribe to our channel so you can watch our latest videos. Thank you.